Okay, we're back with another random week. We are going to backtest. I'm going to do the same thing, 1 to 12 as in months. We've got month 10, so that's November. And then we'll do 2020 to 2025. So 5, 1 to 5. And we've got 5, so we've got 2025. So what was that? October 2025. So let's do that session now. October 2025. And we'll just do like a week and a bit maybe. Hello? 25, October 1st, and then we'll go plus 1 month. Great session. I'm going to go slow. Maybe consider everything, and we are going to be profitable in this session, boys. Oh, there we go. My layout. It's the best. Go to next session. New York. New York. New York. No way. We're at all-time highs again. It's 2 in a row. We've been at all-time highs, which is good because you're at all-time highs in IRL. Okay, so we're bullish. We're bullish until proven otherwise. Just gotta wait for a retrace. Right now, this low is looking like the best place to retrace to. Where is it on ES? Ah, ooh. Go 30-minute, hourly. Maybe this hourly gap even. Where's the hourly gap here? We have a 30-minute gap on ES. We do not. Okay. Well, we've got our liquidity points out the way. This looks like the accumulation low. That could be a data low, in fact. So let's go. Wow. Okay. In an hourly, in a 15-minute. 15-minute. There's a 15-minute just here. I want us to come into. Fuck it off. Get a reaction out of here? No, with a blaster. Okay. Bearish on the day, apparently. At all-time highs. 4 hour would be a great. Is there a 4 hour we can target? Maybe in 23 minutes, but not right now. Hourly, not got much. We're inside a 2 hour gap right now. Can we get a reaction off that? Is there a 5-minute we can target? There is. But again, we're very bearish, so I'm going to have to be a bit touch and go with this. Also got an intermediate low just below. We're in the same 2 hour gap on ES. No. That's that. So let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay. No entry. Are we reacting off anything here? Is this worth a long? Swept this hourly intermediate, swept all this liquidity on the S, come to a 4 hour. You might be making a 4 hour soon, right? No, it's also a 4 hour that we're coming out of. Wasn't just a 2 hour. I wouldn't love to long this, I can't lie. Considering how bearish we've been, so I'm not gonna take this as like a pan trade. It's different if you get more context and more confirmation. If we get an S&T here and also power 3, so we've got time involved as well, that's a bit better. Not looking like it. Opening price, we're going to come above 10 a.m. opening price, and we're going to shoot down. Going into a 15-minute gap. Do have London lows to target as well. Maybe I take this. Go on S&T. Oh, I like this trade. Is that the highest time frame? It is. I do not mind this trade. Short position here. Go for a 1-to-1. See if it plays out. Order. Hello. Order sell. 1%. Equally, we could also re-manipulate up here as well, potentially. What's ES got? Are we shorting into high resistance? Can't lie, this does look like high resistance. Liquidity. That was so bearish, I'm not really bothered by it. I reckon we get a little 1-to-1 here. Now that, my friends, was bloody close. Definite break even here, as ES has already hit the external low. We get break even. Wow, that was close. Remanipulates there. I don't love this price action at all. I can't lie. Looks like we're generating a lot of liquidity here. Potentially we can come into a 30-minute. A 4 hour, what we're looking like. The daily, what we're looking like. Gosh, that's all the way up here. 4 hour on the S. 4 hour just here on the S, so I could expect us to come to that. At least, let's see if we get any distribution. What? How have we not come into this? Hello? There's a liquidity up here, sir. Wow. I wouldn't mind along here. Can't believe we haven't come up into that 30-minute there. Wow. You learn something every day, don't you? Watch that come up into it. Come into 4 hour, swept to 4 hour now. Great bullish reaction. This is looking like a long to me. Oh, but it's after session's closed. Right. Let's tape read this. I wouldn't take this live, but let's see if my draw on liquidity is good with a break even. We got break even. Fair. Okay, let's go to the next day. So currently no trades. Still at all-time highs. Looks like reacting off this first presented 1 hour here. Same with the S, which is always nice. Even if we're bearish, I would expect us to come up into this 1 hour high here. 1 hour FVG. Which we do. No entry on that, which is a shame. Like a 2 minute there? No, nothing really. 30-second, yeah, but I mean, I don't love it. Right now, I kind of want a trend to start in this live session. Massive S&T, not an S&T there. Okay, looks like we're going to take out all of this liquidity, potentially. Are we going to come back up? I don't think we are. Short here. Booyah. That's the money. Wicks are way up. Can we come down? There we do. We go versus hourly. We have some definitely more bearish now. Do we have anything on the 4 hour? Versus the 4 hour as well. So our next long-term target for me is this 4 hour intermediate low now. Got a clear low here, but I mean, it's not, is it aligned with anything? Not really. Let's see if we can get a retrace. A retrace? A retrace? Some sort of retrace here. Generating liquidity. Fucking hell. Go with that. We have just edged this 15-minute one, not too happy about. And the ES looks bullish. Sure. But what? Have no one versus tiny 1 minute, but this for me is a pattern trade. Draws aren't that good. We've got 15 minute that's better just up here. So sometimes when this happens, our stop losses are used as liquidity and we take out the higher time frame. 5 minutes also not sponsored by anything. Oh no, it is sponsored by an hourly, I guess. Again, nowhere to target. Our next target would be down here. So just right now, if I was to take this, I would take range low. But I mean, that's never a great target, is it? Well, it's free manipulate, which we've just done, and we've distributed. A 30-second here I can use instead. Oh, that's a bit better. Short position here, 50% of this wick. Aim for 1-to-1. Now, before we go in this, let's just make sure everything's okay. Come into a 15-minute, rejected. Now we can kind of start to look for range low. It is choppy though, which I don't like. If we get stopped out here, it would be because ES wants to hit this high. Which it does. Unfortunately. Drat. L. L, 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 L. Well, I mean, what is its price actually anyway? Alright. We can make up for that L, I'm sure. Where are we on the daily? Still all-time highs, yeah. Come on, that daily gap. Hit the external range. So it could be retracing here. Love to see us hit that. We're currently in a 15-minute first presented. I've got to take note of that. We've reswept it. Just coming down. I don't mind this at all. It does fade trend. So what I'm going to do, and there's no target really. I'm going to invest all these 15-minute gaps. So I'm not going to take this trade. And that's why. Also looks like high, I mean, yeah, it does look like high resistance. Now I'm more interested because we've come into the 15-minute rejection block and we've inversed this 1 minute. Oh wait, that's news. So it doesn't matter. There you go. Come to a 15-minute gap as well. I wouldn't mind us re-manipulating this 15-minute gap, potentially. Okay. Re-manipulate it, get a 30-second short, which looks nice. Yes, nowhere near. Where are we? Yes. We're not 1 hour. want to short this. Aim for these lows, so it's about 1.1 to 2. Boom. Massive. Does it take range? No. Okay, that's why we take our piece of the pie. Boom. Gosh, that would have been scary live. But we got there. Good target as well. Let's just draw this out. So we're not aiming for this range low, which is looking like high resistance, but we're aiming for these quadruple equal lows or triple equal lows. Which is really nice trade. Okay, next session. Okay, looks like we're re-up, at all-time highs on both assets. Such as this 15-minute, look like we're consolidating. Not loving our position. It's not an obvious way to go. Wow. What was that wick? Tiny weenie 30 seconds short, which is already taken out the equal lows. That would have been our break-even point. It's unfortunate. Again, this price action just looks doo-doo. Sit inside this big 5-minute. Haven't taken out open, have here, but I mean, I'm not taking that trade. Oh, it's a bit better, you know, a bit more high resistance. I'm gonna take this. Very quick break even when we hit this low though. And we can target this as well. So we're wicking upwards and downwards to be fair. But we should get to these equal lows. So he wasn't worried. And then flushed our target. Okay. Nice. That's perfectly 1-to-1, no way. Lovely. So didn't I say we put that first loss behind us? Yeah, I did like that. Accumulation, manipulation. This looks like a data wick of some sort. S&T. Only thing, yeah, we did hold through 10 a.m. open, but I mean, it was such a good trade that 10 a.m. could easily just take those, so I don't mind that. Yeah, 2 dubs in a row. Let's go get a third. Where is go to New York? How long is this video? 25 minutes so far. Not doing too bad. Holy hell. This just looks like a bunch of generated liquidity here. I'm hoping for a manipulation up here and then some distribution down to take all these lows out. I would hope. Inverse the 15-minute here, so they've already taken that high on ES though, apparently. Let's see what we do on open. Jump up and inverse the downside. No, we're not going to get it. Let's go 1 minute here. Whoa! Major SMT. I mean, my gut's telling me to short here, but a 5 minute we can target, but we've come up so high past this high. And ES and Q aren't coordinated at all. Like, is this it's good? I'll have to go break even when ES hit this low here, which is going to happen in the next candle. Give it a go. But it's such a pattern trade. I'm not going to take this. I know we have such good SMT here and stuff. I mean, yeah, I'd rather us inverse like this 5 minute and then I take a trade. Yeah, as I said, we literally took that low. I wouldn't break you in here, and it's like what? Yeah, so don't mind that. Okay, strength to the upside. Jeez Louises. Still got that 5 minute there. I mean, I'm gonna have to take a look at ES. These equal highs. They're like a target for me. It's gap fill maybe. Could be a reaction point, and we've got a fresh hourly here to target as well. Let's see what happens. Coming to the fresh hourly, we expand up on ES. Nothing really anywhere, can't lie. ES is just going through the roof now. Yeah, nothing we can do here. Is that for be patient, maybe for a retrace? But it's in such premium, I don't really want to trade that. Respecting the C of this wick, of this 5 minutes, sorry. Do you have a 15 minute below? No. I mean, we would need some crazy distribution here for me to get in. It's 2 minute perhaps, if we inverse it, but I don't mind it. I don't mind it, to be fair. But we do have a 15-minute below on ES, and we do have 15-minute below on NQ now. So here, so we could get remanipulated. Looks like a pattern tray. We haven't got a CISD yet. Let's see one more candle. No. Do have a CISD here. Delivery looks poor, so I'm not going to take it. And we have the S&T here at the high at a 9:30 manipulation. Open here, we come above that high. Got an S&T. I don't mind this as a retrace. I know it's coming down to a 5-minute now, but also as a 5-minute rejection wick. We haven't had a retrace way overextended. S&T at the high. I like this. That's a short idea. Just making sure it's valid. Yep. At the body here. And I see no break-even point, but this low. I do like this retrace. S&T, high time frame. You're still respecting this 1 hour. 15-minute, I could definitely see us coming down here. It's also a 30-minute. No. So I'm going to go for this. I'm going to move my stop here. If we come up and inverse this 1 minute, I'm going to get out. Ooh. Just like a half-hour stop, maybe. No, we don't. Break even here. Wait, no, I don't go break even there. No, move that back. Move it back. I'm going to put my stop to here. So if we break even there, we could have got stopped out. Now we go break even. Do we extend our take profit? No. It's like with the 15-minute. Okay, nice short. How far do we go? Well, that is literally bottom taking it. Nice. Good TP. Great TP. So was it a 2-minute short? Yeah. Oh, if I put text in here, this is way easier. Retrace short. So continuations are better, but retraces are also good. But you need more confirmation with retraces, is what I know. Holding up in a 1 hour, way over extended S&T with ES, strong 2-minute inversion. Lovely. 15 minute SN, FEG to target. What day are we on Wednesday? We'll do Thursday and Friday. What are we on right now? 3 wins, 1 loss, maybe? So I'm going to screenshot that. And then we're going to go to the next session. Hello. Oh, that looks bloody awful, pal. That looks absolutely disgusting. Let's get this day already. Right, maybe get some sort of manipulation. We do. I want to inverse here and change the state delivery. It would be nice. No, don't get it. Whoa, massive SMT there. Where's the 4 hour? Yeah, it looks like we're gonna straight come into it. Honestly, maybe a 5 minute. The heck? What the heck, man? It's a 30-second down here. No, no opportunities really. Come to this 5 minute up here, but considering how we have come out of this 4 hour fairly strong, this looks more high resistance to me. So we've got a 2 minute here. Let's see if we get this inversion. I might take it, I might not. Oh, well, that was a 2 minute close. I mean, I don't really like it, except for the fact, yeah, we've got an SMT here. I don't know what this candle is though. It's really weird. It's like a oh, we have manipulated the stop. We have gone into 5 minute. No 50 minutes target. What can we target here though? Hourly. There's an hourly gap. Is ES close to anything? We need to watch out for that as well. It's just coming to the 4 hour as well. Because ES is just coming to the 4 hour, I'm not going to take this. This could be an S&T and then long position to these accumulation highs. Don't get S&T, but do get the 1 minute version. Is it going to hold? Does hold for now. Don't like this price action at all. Is it accumulation or is it chop? This looks like chop to me. Because we're just chopping inside a 4 hour. Yeah. So when it's this choppy, it's what I'm gonna kind of stay out. I can't lie. This is going to go where it wants to go, but chop its way there. Yeah, these are not conditions I want to trade in. So I'm going to go to the next session, which will be my last of the day. Last of the vid. Can we go to the next session? Is that all right? I go back. It just wasn't loading for some reason. Looks like we are distributed from this 4 hour. So these would be the highs unless ES is already taken. This looks more high resistance than this. So that's why I'd want to trade up at the moment. Come into this hourly, distributing, inverse this. Hopefully we inverse this 15 minute. If we react off it, then maybe not. For fuck, I did not mean to do that. fuck was it on 4 hour? Holy moly. Should I take this 5 minute long? No. Okay, this is a sponsored 5 minute. Is it in equilibrium of the range? Slight, kind of. Let's go to ES. Has it also hit the 5 minute? Yes, it has. Is there a 15 minute below that we're scared of? No, the next one opens in 10 minutes. There we are not respecting this 5 minute, it looks like. We're inversing it. Okay. Hmm. Now I've got a 50 minute down here, but I don't think we're going to come to it. Mark out on the S as well. Do. Put it into it. Yeah, we are bearish. We are bearish. Guess this is the high of day. We're keeping this 1 hour rejection block going. And are displacing. So I will look for shorts now, I believe. Because that 1 minute is not holding up against a 15 minute. So I mean, nothing really to come into. No stop hunt either. 1 minute's acting crazy. Okay. Sorry. What the fuck? Yo, she did a short position here. Inverse on the 4 hour, dude. This must be like high time frame news. Um, high impact. When is it? 3:57. What the fuck? Oh, I remember this day. I was trading this day, I believe. When was it? October 25. Shit. Trump said something. He tweeted something to do with tariffs. Well, that's the session done anyway. What was that? 3 wins, 1 loss at the start. Let's look at our analytics, huh? Yeah. Uh, let's look at our analytics. Hello? My computer's so slow. Win rate, 75%. Nice. This is over what? 10 days? 2 weeks? It was about 2 weeks then, wasn't it? One loser right at the start, what was it? Can't remember why I lost. Oh no, but we take losses and we punch them in the face after by being consistent. Um, and if that was an eval, I would have passed it already because I double my um, risk for evals. But this is still good. Let's do some. Yeah, okay. Back testing session. Random test 2 done. Boom.